How to fix Snapchat error code C14a. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply clear your Snapchat cache files. So this is the only way that I found that it's currently working. So in order to clear your Snapchat cache files, what you're gonna have to do, so if you're using iOS, you're gonna have to simply tap the settings icon in my profile to open settings. Then scroll down and tap clear data and then select clear cache. Then simply confirm by tapping clear. Now, if you are using an Android, what you're gonna have to do is simply tap the settings icon in my profile to open settings. Then simply scroll down and tap clear cache and then simply confirm by tapping continue. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.